Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the first video in 2020. Happy New Year and the holidays. I wish you the most successful year of all of them. We're going to discuss about Bitcoin price, where is it right now, and we're going to read some news in today's episode. So as we're standing here on the Coinbase chart, we can see that the Bitcoin price still didn't move from here since 2 days ago, and even so we are declining from $7,400. So the bears won once again over here, and the Bitcoin price is consolidating around 20 exponential moving average. It doesn't give up so easily because we all know that's a very important level of support and resistance, or moving average, whatever you wanna call it, for the Bitcoin price in general. As we can see, the volume is still low. It's pressing on the downside, which means some kind of a move will be coming soon in the next day, since the volume is reducing drastically on the downside. Also, we are very near to break this level of the resistances over here, so maybe this suppressing of the volume would give us some kind of a sign or clue that the Bitcoin price could potentially go on the upside, actually retest these levels over here and break it. We will see, but for now that's more possible solution because we are still trading around this level of resistance. One more good indication is on other moving averages. We can see on 50 and 100 is going on the downside drastically, as the 20 exponential moving average is trying to rise above them, which means this is the lineup for the next bull rally. If you want to know what kind of a lineup should that be, you can see over here 20 exponential moving average should be the highest. After that is coming the 50, 100, and down there we have a 200. I just didn't bring it here on the charts. We still have a time to see what is going to happen, but for now it's looking like they want to cross each other over here. Also, if we bring the MACD and the RSI, on the MACD we are still on the bullish side. We're lining up towards a little bit bearish cross over here, but maybe it will not happen. It doesn't mean until we see the real cross and the drop on the downside. I can't say that we are on the drop. Also on the RSI we are still in the middle, because every downtrend in the Bitcoin price, the RSI is showing us that it's consolidating on the downside over here, which means below 50 level. As we can see, we are still in the middle, so we still have a, let's say, place to run on the upside and retouch these levels of overbought zone over here, or maybe we could potentially drop on the downside. We will see, which would be justifying this rally on the downside over here. So nothing special is happening on the chart since we recorded that video 2 days ago, but we're going to check some news. Chrome browser extension Ethereum wallet injects malicious JavaScript to steal data. A browser crypto wallet is injecting malicious JS to steal secrets from MyEther wallet, IDEX.io, Binance, NeoTracker, Switch.io network. So you need to be careful what kind of wallets are you using. So be sure that you are using ledgers or hardware wallets or something like that that could potentially go offline from the internet, so you will be far away from the hackers. I mean, this is not good, of course. It's also the bad sign for the Ethereum network anyway, but we need to be careful when we are storing our cryptos and money into this wallet. So this is good to bring just to make you aware what could happen if you're using this wallet. One more good news for the US citizens. Binance US opens beta testing of iOS app to all users. We're not going to read this, of course, but this is good mentioning for the US citizens to be aware. If you like to trade cryptos on your phone, you will have the app from the Binance if you are Binance trader. Also, as the China promised, application for China's first blockchain ETF filled with regulator. As we know, China is very bullish on the blockchain, and I repeat, it's a blockchain, it's not cryptocurrency, at least not for now, and here they are showing us that. I think there some kind of exchange for the ETFs is going to use the blockchain, if I understood very good. An application for a blockchain focused exchange traded fund has been filled with China's securities regulator, according to a disclosure from the China Securities Regulatory Commission. So this is also very good. We know know that this is giving us extra boost for the cryptocurrency space in general, because of course blockchain is the first part of the cryptocurrencies after all. Apple may remove Coinbase's mobile app browser from the App Store. This is very bad news for the Coinbase users and for the people who are using Apple and buying the crypto through it. So after Google removed Ethereum-based decentralized application browser MetaMask, this is the wallet of course, from its Android application store, Apple may now force Coinbase to remove the app browser feature from its crypto wallet application. So as we can see, I think the crypto community is between corporation wars. We are in the middle, and who is going to suffer? Of course, crypto users of the MetaMask and also other crypto that are using this Ethereum network in general. Even so, that there is a maybe possibility that Apple don't care about cryptocurrency, they care about competitors, so that's why they're doing this. So in this case, we are a weapon and they are fighting with us. For how long this is going to take, we don't know. We just need to follow this news, and I will make sure to follow all of these news on this channel over here. Also, this is the part when I'm telling you to please hit that like button and subscribe, because it really means to us to build this channel after all. So since we had a very bad experience with the YouTube and other social centralized media, now some good news about that. DLive joins BitTorrent ecosystem to make blockchain-based content sharing mainstream. Peer-to-peer flash sharing giant BitTorrent announced on December 30th that DLive, the blockchain-based live streaming platform, will be joining its ecosystem. Very good! We're going to have our own YouTube for the crypto enthusiasts, and who knows, maybe other people will love it more than YouTube. We just need to support this idea and to support this project, as we are united as one, as we did after that attack from the YouTube and the Google against crypto and our own assets. I'm not going to read the whole news, but you can read it on our page or on the Cointelegraph. I will post some news on the Instagram also, so you can go there, follow us, read and have a discussion with us. And one interesting news, I don't know if it's bad, but it's very good to read it. China's Bitcoin miners pressured to scale down due to electricity shortage. Bitcoin miners in the Chinese province of Sichuan are reportedly under pressure local authorities to scale down their operations due to electricity shortage. So we can see here that China is not doing this on purpose right now in this case, because they are in shortage with production of the electricity. So they're asking the miners and companies that are actually legal to shut down their processes because of the, let's say, lack of electricity or production of it. Bitcoin farms tolerated during wet seasons only. One of the reasons for this is because when it's raining, the hydropower stations generate more electricity than it's required, so they can use it on the cryptocurrency mining, which is pretty much good use case if we have more electricity than their need. So however, during the dry season, the local authorities attempt to assure sufficient power supply for residents and local businesses, and therefore redirect their focus on the regional Bitcoin farms who use excessive amounts of electricity to run their mining rigs. This is of course very good, because in this case we see that the Chinese government does not going against crypto miners on purpose. It's just because of the lack of electricity, at least in this case, right? So we went through almost all news that I found in the past previous days that we received. Since it's holidays, we don't have a lot of news in the crypto space, which could be potentially very important for the Bitcoin price. Now I want to thank each one of you for watching our videos. As always, happy new year. Hit that like and subscribe button. We do need to build this channel up, and until the next video, happy trading and goodbye.